The video is actually different from the other videos because I've decided to share with you guys on what we ladies expect from you men. Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is your girl Linda Hasola. Yeah, in today's video, the video is going to be kind different because I'm talking about relationship stuff, love stuff, and I've never done this before. So yeah, point number one is that, men, why are you too serious? Like, I really don't know, you guys, if you've ever faced this, my ladies. I really don't know, but you will share with me in the comment section. Men are too serious in a relationship. Like, you find someone, you even fear to interact, with your partner. Yeah, I may say like maybe you are not friends, maybe you are not what, but you may be friends and someone turn into another thing, and that person, which has actually affected so many relationships. Because like if you're in a relationship and someone is too serious, you feel like you are not on the same page, you feel like you are just in a long place, you are lost, being lost in a relationship. Like someone is too serious, the relationship is too boring, you feel like if you interact with this person, maybe it will end up backing at you, it will end up replying to you in a rude way. Banange, men, stop being too serious. Like, stop being too serious in a relationship. We need you to crack some jokes for us. We need you to make us happy. We actually start these relationships expecting being happy, not someone being so serious, someone being too lewd, someone being so arrogant. So men, try to interact with us, try to be friendly to us, try to crack some jokes, and try to talk to us as babies. So yeah, point number two is that, why don't you share with us your feelings? Like, I really don't know if some of you have experienced this, but men do not share their feelings. They do not, like, it's really so hard to know that maybe my partner is not in the mood. For us ladies, we tell you guys, we even react. Like, you tell someone, I'm not okay, I'm not okay, like I need a break, and but you men keep quiet and you just react in a weird way. When someone calls you, maybe you switch off the phone, like you reply in a weird way. Like, someone will be like, what have I done to this person? You need to share with us your feelings. We need to know when you are low. We need to know your emotions. We need to know you more than any other person, because this is a relationship for two people. If I do not know you, who do you expect to know you? So we need to know you when you are down, so that I know when to call and when not to call. I know when to come to your place and when not to come. But now you need to share with us your feelings. We need to know you guys. Try to share with us your feelings. Sharing feelings is expected in a relationship. Do not feel like maybe we're malamu to tell someone how you feel, to tell someone what you're going through, or what like the challenges. It's really good to share with someone that you are in love with, so that it makes your love easier than you. Your point number three is that men do not want to take good care of themselves. Not all, but some. Guys, you have to look good, you have to smell good, you have to take good care of yourselves. Men, take good care of yourselves. Yeah. Point number four is the timing. Guys, sometimes, like, I really don't know, but sometimes you forget us. You do not give us time. Like, we need that little time. We need text to us. Let us know, like make us special by typing for me, asking me what are you doing for now. Did you take breakfast? But now we need that kakeya. Did you take breakfast? How did your day go? I know we also have to do this, but that video will be for another day. This video is for you guys to know what you are supposed to do, what we need as women. So guys, ask me, how did your day go? Ask me where, like, what is your plan? What are you planning to do for today? Like, let me know that I have that one person who cares about me. And yeah, you have to remind me how beautiful I am, I know I'm beautiful, but I need to hear it from you. You need to tell me how beautiful I am. You need to recognize that I've changed a new hairstyle. Like for now, I changed one, so I expect someone to tell me, Lynn, you look yeah. So guys, and the last one is that, guys, you need to recognize the small things. You need to appreciate, you need to realize that at least my wife, my girlfriend, my lover, that at least she has changed, and some of the ways you can recognize and appreciate someone is by, you can actually give someone gifts just to appreciate that person. Like appreciating, actually, you guys, these small things, take them, try them out, and you will not regret. Your relationship will be kawa. We are all not perfect, but we learn from ourselves, we learn from each other. So you better don't keep quiet for anything. Share with us, let us know, what did you expect in a relationship, what did you get in return, and let us know, and let us share, so that we should at least improve on the way people love, improve on the way people care about others, improve on the way. And yeah, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Yeah, do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell, just in case I upload any other new video. You'll be one of those lucky person to be the first one to watch me. Thank you. Bye. In fact, I copied your stuff, but I love you all. God loves you more.